Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Jaguar XE. On this Jaguar we're going to go over how we put the emergency brake, parking brake into service mode to be able to change the rear brakes, or also be able to move the vehicle without the ability to start the engine. And we need to be able to release the emergency brake. So to start with, you'll need to double tap your ignition button without your foot on the brake pedal, just to light up the dash, and let the dash cycle. So the dash is cycled, and we're there. Now you will put your foot on the brake itself. So you'd hold the brake like you were going to start it, but we're not. And then you hold the brake button down, and you'll hear the brakes release on the back. And so you hold the release brake button down, here release, and then you're going to let your foot off of the brake pedal while you're still holding the button down to release the brakes, and then you're going to turn off the ignition. And then you can release the brake button. And so that is how you disengage or put the emergency brake into service mode. And then when you're done and you need to put it back into regular operation, you either cycle the ignition, it'll put it back into the operation, or you can just pull up on the brake with nothing on, and you'll see that the brake on the dash comes on. And that is how you would put your vehicle into service mode. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.